Why hello, it's Kat right here. Today we're going to be transplanting a trumpet vine. I planted a trumpet vine on our street light that's right next to the mailbox last year, so it doesn't have deep roots, but I'm gonna be putting it on a fence where it can go a little crazy because trumpet vines are aggressive. So we need it somewhere it can be aggressive. So we're gonna be moving the trumpet vine. So this is the trumpet vine. You can see I planted it last fall and it's already pretty growing like crazy on the sidewalk. So we're gonna dig this thing up. You can see right here, this is where it was planted. This is the roots. It's kind of climbing all over the place, so I'm gonna have to untangle it is the first thing to do. You can see right here it came through between the light pole and the mailbox, so I have to take that piece, just pull it out, try not to hurt any of those so we could wrap those around the tree. The roots are all tangled in some rock, so at least when we dig this up it's gonna look pretty good because it still has the rocks there. But there's a lot of roots already growing under the rocks, so let's dig this thing up. Got it all dug up, got the rocks back in place, now we just have to come back here and clean it up. Let's get this thing moved and replanted. This is the hole that I've already dug where we're transplanting the trumpet vine to. You can see it's along our irrigation ditch line, so it does stay very moist. I'm not gonna have to worry about it. And if it even grows into the ditch a little bit, that's not gonna be a big deal. Then this is the fence that I'm going to be wrapping it around so it can just decorate this fence a little bit. Okay, now that I have this thing transplanted, we have it buried in the ground. I'm going to take these branches and kind of just intermingle them with the fence so they can grow in. You can see there's some bigger branches and some smaller branches. Taking these bigger branches, kind of winding them up. There's some wiring in the fencing. So I'm just gonna take the rest of these and kind of wind them that way so as they continue to grow, they will grow facing this way. Okay, so I got some of the bigger ones. Now I'm just gonna take these little ones and kind of put them in this area so it can grow up from there. Here is the base of the trumpet vine where we buried it. Like I showed before, there's the irrigation line, brought it up this way, tried pretty hard to separate them all and spread them out on different parts of the fencing so they can just grow. This is the angle and the view that we'll be looking at of the trumpet vine from our house. You can see the limbs are looking a little bit sad because it kind of shocks them when you dig it up. And once that takes root, those should start perking up and looking good and growing. Well, thanks for watching. We got the trumpet vine all transplanted, and remember, work hard, play hard.